Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for Suncorp Online Banking account. If you want to access your financial transactions and account histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is very simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search field, search for suncorp.com.au. And once you land onto an interface like this, you can see the Logon option here. Go and tap on it. Now on the banking section, you can see Internet Banking. Go and tap on it. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to the login page of Suncorp Online Banking. So scroll down to the bottom of the page and go and tap on to register for Internet Banking. Now it takes you to another page where it informs you that you need to have some required documents in order to start your registration process. It informs that you need a temporary code that was sent to you as an SMS if you have recently opened an online account via a branch. And you will need a telephone access code if you already are a phone banking customer. You will need to have at least one account number and an active email address. So if you acquire all these required documents, then go and tap on next. Now you will land onto the terms and conditions of Suncorp Internet Banking. So in order to continue, go and tap on to accept conditions. Now you will land onto the page where you have to enter your login details as well as your personal and account details. So in order to get started, go to DACA text field and enter the access code. Then enter your account number or your credit card number. Then enter a valid email address, and if you don't want a marketing material, go and tap onto this box. Now you will have to create a very strong password for your account, and in order to confirm your password, re-enter your password in the text field here. Once you are done entering your details, go and tap on to next. Now you will be directed to another page. Follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for a Suncorp Online Banking account. So this will it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.